The ThinLED PRO from Trenz is a thin, recessed downlight that is wet location rated, meaning it can go into a shower or outdoors, and is easy to install with all electrical work done below the ceiling. This dimmable fixture features a 5-position below-ceiling color temperature switch. You can easily remove the magnetic trim plate and change the color of light from warm to cool. Before we get started with the install, there are a couple things you will need that are not included: a drywall saw, measuring tape, plastic grommets, and electrical wiring. Please note that the fixture must be wired in accordance with local electrical codes and ordinances and should be done by a professional electrician. As a safety precaution, double-check the power is off from the electrical panel before starting the installation. We have already connected the electrical wire to our wall switch and ran it over to where we will be installing the fixture. Locate your predetermined position to place the fixture and cut an approximately sized hole for the fixture size. You can use the cardboard the fixture comes with as a template. Bring your electrical wiring through the cut hole. Open the hardwire box cover. Remove a knockout and add the plastic grommet so you can insert and connect the electrical wire. Once all connections are made, place the wiring and connections back into the box and close the cover. Now we will be putting the hardwire box into the ceiling. Note, for new construction applications, the hardwire box should be firmly secured to studs, joists, or similar fixed structural units. We suggest using the new construction mounting plate for ease of planning the location of all lights. Alternatively, as we are showcasing today, the hardwire box is not required to be firmly secured after the structural units have been concealed. Simply insert into the ceiling. Ensure the quick disconnect cable connected to the hardwire box is below the ceiling. Now you can connect it to the fixture with the easy twist and lock connection. Be sure to remove the magnetic trim if it's attached to the fixture and push these spring-loaded clips up to insert the fixture into the ceiling. Release the clips and the fixture will be pulled flush to the ceiling. Select your desired color temperature and attach the magnetic trim to the fixture. Installation is now complete. The Trenz ThinLED PRO is a color selectable, dimmable, wet location rated, ENERGY STAR approved LED downlight with a lifetime warranty. For more information, please visit trenzlighting.com.